What's up, guys? Welcome back. Joe the Vibes. Sosda and the Cockney, Cambodia, and my friends. Right now, I'm heading to the market, and there's gonna be a quick video. So come along with me. Let me take you guys. Let's go to the market. Now, it's a small market there. Oh man. All right. Our road. So you can see. Hey, big guy. Big guy, I don't know. Yeah. Are you grinding a bussy?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Okay, Achi.
Bros.
Well done, bros. So that's a small market. you know when my video you are afraid of the camera. Yeah, man. So does he? Let's get down. Hold on. Oh man. How far? These guys, I don't know which Oh, man. Yeah, right. But I don't know the name of this market, bro. Abidjan market. Yes. This is Abidjan market. Stockfish. This one we call it mangama. Dried fish. Okay. So good one. There's a Sunday market on the afternoon in Lagos, Nigeria. Good man, well done. A good slicer.
Thank you. So guys, what's
not a big market, just small ones. Let's go. A young Nigerian. Slicing the, I think that's water leaf. No, water leaf. Oh man. We are in a major market in Lagos. So, as you can see, it's a small market, but a lot of people are here. And don't forget, I'm filming on Sunday afternoon. So that's it. Ice fish. This is a dry ice fish. You can see that. That's it. Sosdana Cockney. I hope you guys are enjoying the Nigerian market, enjoying the videos. That's good. Sosdana. No. Watching the videos, and don't forget to subscribe. You tell your friends about my channel, your mama, you know? Keep watching, and more of Nigeria videos are dropping. I think you're from Lagos now. We'll also locate another state in Nigeria. There are so many states, 36 states here in Nigeria. So we're still filming here in Lagos. From Lagos we get to another state, get their market, and get beautiful people in the state, you know. Yeah. Sweating, guys. I'm sweating like yeah, it's beautiful, man. See beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. It's just a quick video. I will see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe, your momsy. You know, I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed and enjoy. Bye bye. Thank you.